Accessories such as glasses are important complements to outfits, not only protecting the eyes but also playing a crucial role in expressing personal style. The right frame and lens choice can harmonize with facial shape and skin tone, balancing the overall appearance. Additionally, different styles and colors of glasses can add sophistication or casual flair to any ensemble. Belts are crucial for completing outfits, as they serve both functional and aesthetic purposes. Functionally, they help in securing pants or skirts in place, ensuring a comfortable fit. Aesthetically, belts can define the waistline, adding structure to the silhouette and enhancing the overall look of an outfit. They also offer an opportunity to inject personal style through different materials, colors, and buckle designs, allowing individuals to express their fashion sensibilities effectively. The importance of shoes in an outfit lies in their color and shape. They not only complement the overall aesthetic, but also contribute to its balance and coherence. Choosing shoes that match the color scheme of your clothing enhances visual appeal and creates a cohesive look. The style and shape of shoes can also influence the formality or casualness of an outfit. Matching formal attire with dress shoes adds sophistication, while pairing casual shoes with casual wear ensures comfort and style. Ultimately, selecting shoes that fit well in color and shape enhances the overall impression of your outfit, making it look polished and well coordinated. By combining appropriate small pieces, you'll look very stylish and beautiful. Accessories are the most important rule for dressing well. You're all set. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.